How to fix wallet app not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone, along with the Apple Pay and the wallet issues. See if that helps, and if not, then go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, as Apple Pay requires a proper working internet connection. So if your internet is poor, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then check your Face ID or Touch ID, as Apple Pay requires authentication. So in settings again, tap on Face ID and passcode, and then enter your passcode, and then go ahead and make sure wallet and Apple Pay option is enabled, and if not, then go ahead and enable this particular option for wallet and Apple Pay. Also, go ahead and check your region, as some wallet features and Apple Pay availability totally depend on your country or region. So for that, you can tap on settings again, and then tap on general, and then tap on language and region option you see there. Further, make sure the selected region is correct. Also, go ahead and check your Apple account. So tap on your name on top of your screen, and if there is an account related warning, then follow the instructions to resolve it. Additionally, check for your iOS update. So in settings again, tap on general and then on software update, and make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update your iPhone. Also, go a step back to general and tap on date and time, and then go ahead and make sure the toggle button for set automatically is toggled on, as this particular option itself makes a lot of difference in your wallet transactions. Next, you can simply go ahead and open the wallet application, and then select your card and check for any warning or verification message, and then complete any verification requested by your bank or card issuer. And just in case if a specific card is not working, then you can simply try to remove that particular card and then add it again. So simply select the card and then tap on card details option, and then go ahead and tap on the remove card option and remove the card. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then go back to settings and then tap on general, and then on transfer or reset iPhone. Further, tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings, and this might help you in fixing your issue. And just in case if the issue is not fixed yet, then you can simply check for Apple system status, as if wallet or Apple Pay suddenly stopped working for many users, there could be a temporary Apple service issue. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix wallet app not working on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.